Hey guys, I thought I'm gonna show you some um, hopefully helpful videos. I want to show you quick tutorial if in case you have adjustable base, but something like Tempur-Pedic or sort of similar to that. I thought I'm gonna show you how to put the sheets on the mattress a very quick and easy way instead of kind of going under a big thick mattress and trying to spend time figuring that out. So if you have, I'm just gonna show you what I have. So I have a split king, two mattresses. Maybe I'll get it closer. So it's two separate mattresses, and what I usually do um, before I take him out and put him back, I put so I have a controller for each of them, and what I do is I put um, each of the mattress on the TV mode. So for my controller that looks like this, it's Pro Smart. I have this TV mode right here. If your controller is maybe a little bit different, looks like than mine, if you know where your TV position is for your adjustable base, so just do that, and it will probably looks kind of similar like mine. So the head and um, the the bottom will be up, and then you can see um, so the bottom and the top mattress is lifted, and then you can easily put it on. So I'm going to demonstrate it, so watch me how I'm going to do it. So I have this mattress sheets from Tempur-Pedic, and it's all labeled and everything here, and I have this strips on each corner. So what I do, I kind of just because my mattress is lifted, so I'm just putting it right here. Because it's lifted, it's very easy, you don't have to do anything. And then I do the same for the other corner. Just kind of adjusting it here. And I do like to put the sheets kind of behind that metal thing if you have one of those. So like this. And I do have this little sticker, so that's probably why it's a little bit tough. But yep. So, and once you put, you don't have to put it behind, it's just my preference. But once you do that, so the corners are very easy to tackle, like this. And then do the other same thing for the other side, so that will be even easier. So I'm just gonna move the camera quickly here. So here will be even more easier, so you just kind of go like this, and then here I kind of have to hover over the mattress, go kind of behind it, and do that. And that's it. So you kind of, so next step, what I do, oops. So once I tackle the corners, and it does look kind of funky for now. So next step, what I do is once my four corners are in, I put it on the flat. So mine is looks like this. So I just press it and watch it's gonna go down. So it's going down, and while it's going down, the sheet is basically making it almost ready to use it. So what I do here is I just do like the last minute things, just kind of tackle it right here. So it would be kind of, because it's fitted sheet, so make sure all the sides are inside and kind of between the mattresses as well. That's the hardest part probably, but I found this method is way faster and less complicated. If, for example, if your mattress will be flat like this and you kind of try to put the sheets this way versus if it's um, lifted as on a TV mode. So I'm gonna do the other side as well. But let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you have maybe your own methods, tips and tricks, share in the comments for the others who are gonna watch this video. But hopefully this video helps. Just kind of want to share because when um, just got this bed, it was first thing, it was like very hard to like, how did I put this, especially if you have a split cane or whatever split mattresses you have. It's kind of complicated to put it first, but I found the TV mode is the best that works for me. Anyway, that's it for this video. Again, if you have any questions regarding if you just bought the Tempur-Pedic or any other bed with adjustable base, leave the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.